My fabric measurement is 14 inches by 5 inches, and I cut 3 of it. This winter coat fabric is 17 inches by 8 inches, and I cut 3 of it. I like to use winter coat fabric because it's very light. You can get this in the fabric store. You can just buy 1 or 2 yards, keep it for your craft, you know. It's very light. Instead of you to be loading cotton inside your tube, you just fold this and pass it through your tube. And this is my Alice band that I will be working with, and the measurement is 14.5 inches. I will take this fabric to the machine and I will sew it. I will sew it like this. I will sew the 3 like that. Instead of you loading cotton wool inside, you just do this. This fabric is 3 inches width. I will take it to the machine to sew too. This smaller tube, I will use it to wrap. You will see the way I will use it in this video.